Okay, I'm recording the video. Oh, so, what? See, guys, there's a dead rat. I'm gonna
touch him.
I'm gonna get his tail.
Look, show your mom the rat.
Look. Oh no. Should I hold it by his tail? Okay, let go, Sneakers. This rat is right there. Let's go, Sneakers. Yes, Sneakers. Eat the rat. The little mouse. Look at that cute little mouse. He's gonna be eaten.
Is he killed? Is he dead?
Yes, he's dead. He's getting eaten by Sneakers. And now Sneakers trying to bury him. Oh, look, Sneakers grabbed him with his mouth. You can see it hanging out.
He's mad.
He's not mad. Yes, right in the road. You can see him better. Yes. Okay, see, everybody. This is for YouTube. I can't eat the mouse. Okay, okay. Don't grab my tails, Kyle.
I didn't, Daniel.
Yes, you did. I told you. Everybody, leave a comment below if you saw Kyler grabbing by his tails. His name's Sneakers. This is Kyler. I'm Daniel.
Don't show your mom. Waste that video.
I'm not wasting the video.
Your mom's gonna be mad.
She's not gonna be mad at making a YouTube video. Look,
No.
you can see the little rat.
I didn't grab his tail. I petted his
Oh, look, you see the rat. Yes. Good job, Sneakers. Caught the rat all by yourself.
He's mad. Leave him alone, Daniel.
Okay.
Let me see the video. I didn't mean to grab the tail.
What?
I didn't mean to grab the tail.
That's okay. Oh my god, and you saw it, people. I wish I could just tape on video where Sneakers actually do catch it, but he already catch it. Look, he's enjoying himself with a dead rat.
When he eats. It catches him when he eats. It catches
Hold on.
him when he eats.
Boom. Look, the dead rat is hanging there.
He's mad. I think he wants to be left alone.
He's not mad. Crap, it's hard to control it like this. Where's the rat? Oh, right behind his ball. Hold on, let me get a closer look. Sorry, this is not that good. This is my first time having a best video. Where did the rat go? Sneakers, did you already eat the rat? Did you? Oh, he's right there. He's right there. It's kind of hard to control it when I have it so close. Spider went on me. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's the end of the video.